Hi friends! Welcome to my channel, where I share interesting tech-related tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how we can write an article using YouTube subtitles. With subtitles, you can create a valuable article in just a few minutes. To write the article, we're going to use three powerful tools: ChatGPT, YouTube, Subtitle Download. These tools will help us create a well-structured and valuable article from a video in just a few minutes. Now, let me show you how each of these tools works together to make the process quick and easy. First, we need to find a video that matches the type of article we want to write. For example, I'm searching for top AI chat tools in 2024. As you can see, there are many videos available. However, we need to narrow down our search to only those that have subtitles. To do this, we simply add a filter to our search by selecting the subtitles option. This way, we ensure we're choosing a video that has subtitles available, which is key for turning it into a valuable article. Now, in addition to filtering by subtitles, it's important to focus on the latest content. So, we'll add one more filter, the time filter. You can choose to search for videos from this year, this month, or even the past week. By selecting the latest time frame, you'll find the most up-to-date and relevant content for your article. Avoid using older videos, as their subtitles might be outdated or not as useful for current topics. Once you've applied both filters, subtitles and time, you'll have the best options to start writing a valuable article. Now that we have applied the filters, the next step is to find the best video for our article. For this, you just need to go through the list and pick the video that seems most relevant to your topic. I'm selecting this video, and instead of watching, I'll simply copy the link. Next, we head over to DownSub to download the subtitle. On this site, all you need to do is paste the link of the video you selected earlier. Once you paste the link, click the download button, and the subtitle file will be ready in seconds. What's great about this site is that you can download subtitles in different languages, but for now, I'm just downloading the original English subtitle. Simple, quick, and efficient. Click the text download button and select the original subtitle file. This will download the subtitle in text format, making it easy to edit and turn into an article. Now that the subtitle has been downloaded in text format, we're ready to turn it into a well-optimized article. To do this, we'll add an extension to ChatGPT called Fully SEO Optimized Article with FAQ. This extension will help us create a high-quality, SEO-friendly article that's perfect for online readers and will even include a FAQ section. Now, we simply copy the subtitle text and paste it into ChatGPT. Once pasted, we'll ask ChatGPT to write a full article based on these subtitles. ChatGPT will take the key points from the video's text and turn them into a structured, readable article in just moments. As ChatGPT writes the article, here's an additional tip: if you want to include clickable links to your other articles, you can provide a sitemap to ChatGPT. The sitemap will give ChatGPT a list of your other articles, and you can request it to incorporate relevant links into the new article. This way, you'll have a more connected, engaging article that directs readers to other content on your site, boosting both engagement and SEO. Now that ChatGPT has successfully written the article, it's time to post it on WordPress. Since I'm already logged in, I'll go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Posts, and then select Create New. From here, I can paste the article, format it as needed, and get it ready for publishing. To make the article more engaging, we need a thumbnail. For this, we can ask ChatGPT to create an image. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated an amazing image for the article. Alternatively, you can design the thumbnail yourself using other tools like Canva or Photoshop. Customizing the image adds a unique touch and can help grab readers' attention. Now, we just need to upload the thumbnail image to the article. Simply add it to the post to make it eye-catching. And here's another tip: if you want to make the article even more valuable, consider embedding a video tutorial related to the subtitle content. This will enhance the article's reach and engage readers further. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you next time.